Welcome back to another Magnolia Drones Florida video where we are doing a Middleton by the Villages construction update for Saturday, September 2nd, 2023. We have a lot of exciting news going on this week with our key features of this video highlighting Phase 1, the park, Phase 2, and the Villages Charter School first home football game in the brand new stadium. Go Buffalo! This is going to be our flight path for our Phase 1 construction update video. As you can see, there's been a lot going on over in this area of Middleton. A lot of lot sites still available, but a lot of those lots have actually turned into newly constructed homes that should be starting shortly. So there will be homes available for purchase already constructed, same as in the villages. As we loop around this side of Phase 1, we're going to start taking a focus on Lake Harlow Park here, with the biggest news being that the playground area is now open. The pool, the playground, tennis courts, basketball courts, pickleball courts, cornhole areas, walking paths, and seating areas are all 100% officially open to residents of Middleton. We've been getting a lot of messages about our home construction update videos. If you would like to contact us about that, please shoot us a text or an email. We'd be more than happy to help out. As we fly around on this end of the neighborhood, you might notice a few more cars driving around, as well as those open house signs. On Saturdays and Sundays, they do have open houses here in Middleton. I think they are 12 noon to 4 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. As we head back this way, you'll notice that Lake Harlow Dog Park is going to be at the top of our screen here. As the weather's starting to turn a little more into fall and the evenings are a little bit cooler, the dog park is definitely becoming one of the neighborhood favorite areas to hang out. Looks like all those dogs are usually running around, having a great time as well, especially in that evening time frame. That here is going to finish up our Phase 1 construction update. We have our Phase 2 flight path here for you folks that we'll be following today. As you can see, there is a crane pulling up walls and roofs for this house over here. It's really fun watching all of the construction take place for the different homes, seeing the different areas that they're building in, and how quickly things seem to go up around here. Once again, we do have our home construction update videos available that have been going over very well with our local neighbors here in Middleton. Shoot us a text or an email if you'd love to find out more. As we come to this end of Phase 2 here in Middleton by the Villages, we'll be coming up to the park area that already has parking paved and lined out. Looks like they have a basketball court, a dog park area, some pickleball courts as well, already ready to go. The pool now has water in it, and the mail station's been painted and ready to go. Looks like they are still working on the playground area. There is an update that the Phase 1 playground has mulch flooring, but there is rubber flooring parked outside of that park there for the Phase 2 park. So it looks like that park will probably have that rubber flooring rather than mulch. Phase 2 is coming along really quick. It looks like a lot of houses are finishing up over in this area. We should have a lot more residents being able to move in here pretty shortly. Looking forward to meeting our new neighbors. We're going to start our Friday Night Lights section here of the video. As mentioned, the charter school's first home football game at the new stadium was last week on Friday. We had a wonderful turnout here for the first game. It was a great time. We got a lot of wonderful footage of the stadium and the game. People seem to be having a lot of fun. There was reasonably priced snacks and concessions where they charge cash or accept Venmo as well. There was also a frozen ice truck and a food truck out in the parking lot as well, so it does look like there's a lot of activities as well as food and drink opportunities for you at the game there. There was a lot of fanfare going on for the first event and the first game at the stadium, but we're so excited to be able to take part in more events and activities there at the stadium, being part of this wonderful community here in Middleton. As you can see, the fans were eager to get back and see their team play here at the new stadium, reaching over trying to get high fives. Got the kickoff going. We also have our wonderful cheerleading team, as well as the marching band here at the Villages Charter School. We'll really appreciate you guys sticking around for the video. Once again, feel free to send us a text or an email with any concerns or questions if you want to find out more about what we offer. I'm looking forward to next week's video. Y'all have a great rest of your day.